said don't? Alright. How you feeling? How you feeling, babe? You ready? How you doing, Jack? Come on, Jack. Come on, buddy. Babe, I have it. You see? I am. I'll be laughing. It's old. Huh? I'm going first.
Stop. Jack, move back.
Yeah, this is like.
This is stressing me out.
This is tiny. Tiny. All I'm gonna tell y'all is that we have to kind of do like a run jump.
Why?
Well, just so you can make sure you're passing all this. Okay, scoot. Just go back over. Daddy. No, it's even longer, Bren. Bren, it's even longer. Oh, down the walk.
On my 2 locks. Okay, got my 2 locks.
Dad? How you doing? He's such a liar. Alright, are we gonna get this done?
Yeah.
I'm ready. I'm going first.
Who's going first?
Me. I want to get this over with. Who's getting behind me? It's really not that bad.
Yeah, it's really not.
Let's keep saying that. It's really not that
It's really
bad.
not that bad.
Alright.
Are you going down the platform?
Yeah, I'm gonna kind of do hopefully a running. As much as a running.
Make sure not to step on those nails.
I'm gonna make sure. Boy, this is gonna take a big.
Yeah, this is a little different than watching on YouTube.
I know, it's really different.
We have another one that's, let's say, shorter than this.
Mhm.
It's not too far from Mozilla, but that is a famous one.
No, I feel like I'd regret not going over to the real one.
Yeah.
All right. Y'all get out of my way. Get behind me. Man, my adrenaline is going right now.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna just get up there and just run and just. I mean, I'm not even gonna think.
Dying.
Oh my god! Oh. Run, jump, babe. Jack, why don't you do it next? Just look straight ahead and run and jump. Straight. I can't. Oh my God! Oh my God! You did it! Yes! Oh, that was amazing! I can't! I'm laughing so hard.
That scream was like involuntary. I had no control over it.
That was awesome!
I said I wasn't going to scream, but I can't help it. Get that on video?
I think I did. I was just laughing too hard. As soon as Jack jumped, you go. Jack,
Don't
you're
run, Jack, just
Jack,
run
you
and
have to
jump.
run and jump, bud.
Oh my God, the water's so cold.
Bob, run and jump. Seriously.
Buddy.
I don't think he's gonna do it. Jack, you need to run. Jack, you need to run.
Run and jump out, buddy.
Run and jump. Brennan, is he gonna do it right? I wish I would have done it together.
He's gonna be fine.
Listen to him. Yes! 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 He's fine. You did it! Jack, you don't need to cry. Why is he crying? Okay.
So great.
Hey, y'all swimming.
Great.
Bren, y'all swimming. Y'all swimming. Y'all swimming.
Now let's cheer